When I first got my first ultrasound, so that's when we first got to see our baby on the screen. And if you guys are on Facebook, you have seen these already too. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys our little one. This is him or her at 15 weeks. So yeah, this is the head, and then the body, the toes, the little legs, and this is like in a 3D. I don't know if you guys can really see that. And this is a different spot. So this is the head. It's like from the head this way instead of the profile. So this is the head and the body. So this is him or her at 15 weeks. So yeah, so that's 15 weeks. That's when the doctor measured the baby, and that's how he could tell that it's 15 weeks. So that's how I changed everything that I just told you. Those were the exact weeks, but the app that I'm following is 2 weeks back still. I don't know why, but I put the due date as May 3rd on the app, and it's still like saying that I'm on my second trimester now, but I'm still on my 15 weeks right now, which is weird because I was 15 weeks 2 weeks ago. Anyways, so like I said, I'm giving you guys what the doctor said, so I'm on 17 weeks now. So every weeks that I gave you are based on what the doctor said based on the ultrasound. Okay, so the 15 weeks, the baby is the size of at 15 weeks, the baby is the size of a half avocado. Bundle of Love, that's his or her nickname. Bundle of Love is now about the size of a bass avocado, but not as green or mushy. That's what the app says. Okay, and then your baby's legs are finally longer than its arm, just like a grown-up. And then food recommendation, if you have morning sickness, this week is usually when it goes away. Hopefully, but that was back in 15 weeks, and I still have morning sickness now. So try a vanilla protein shake to give you calcium and satisfy your craving for sweet without getting a sugar overload. And at 15 weeks, little breather. Baby is practicing breathing by swallowing amniotic fluid, and it's about time for you to start gaining more weight. Hope so. I still haven't gained weight, guys. I think I lost another pound again. Bottle of Love's face is beginning to look remarkably human, and his proportions are getting more normal. His heart is also pumping a bunch of blood now. You're going to start gaining a lot of weight, and you might experience problems with your nose and allergies, especially if you were already prone to them. Sorry, guys. How's Bundle of Love? You're a role model already, and Bundle of Love is doing a really good job in impersonating you. He keeps inhaling that amniotic fluid, just like you keep breathing in and out. And when he brings the fluid into his respiratory tract, it helps his lungs develop the air sac that will help him breathe oxygen. His eyes are also moving to the front of his head, while his ears are making their way to the sides. So he resembles a real person more than ever. And his little heart, still under construction, is now capable of pumping 25 quarts of blood a day. He also can bend his knees and elbows now. His skeleton is still developing, and he might even be starting to grow hair. Bundle of Love measures in at about 4 inches long, the size of an avocado. His mom, feeling bigger yet? But now you're expected to have gained about 5 pounds. And there is plenty more to come. You should start preparing your wardrobe to gain more weight. And you should be monitoring your weight gain to make sure It is the healthy range. This process can either be a lot of fun or another added stress. Keep in mind that you're only going to keep growing as bundle of love does. Who knows? Maybe buying clothes with room to grow into will put you back into touch with your inner child right before a brand new older child comes into your life. Your body is circulating more blood so you can provide bundle of love with all the nutrients he needs. But you'll experience certain symptoms as a result. Stuffy or bloody noses may occur during the next few months, so try to avoid too much smoke, dust, or aerosols. Oh, that's why. You might notice your cheeks turning a bit rosier. I'm giving you a beautiful pregnancy glow. See, not all symptoms are bad. Week 15 is a really exciting one for mom for another reason. As soon as next week, you might even able to feel bundle of love kicking. Yeah, so it still goes on and on. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. I think I actually started feeling the kick last week or the end of last week. So the end of 16 weeks. But I wasn't sure. But I think it was. Like, it feels like air, but like harder. And then it went twice, like, and I'm like, what was that? Then the next day I felt it again. But yeah, that's one thing too, guys. Me and David always talk to our baby in my stomach, like always. And we like it. It's like, like we really think that he or she hears us. I always say he or she because we still don't know the gender of the baby. But yeah, we always talk to him and her ever since 6 weeks. So 16 weeks, 16 to 17 weeks, I guess, because I'm on 17 weeks right now. So just last week, like I said, I still vomit until now. I heard that some people don't stop vomiting until they're on 21 weeks. So I'm still hoping that mine stops by then, because I really, really want to gain weight for my baby, especially. I mean, I don't mind for me because it's hard for me to gain weight, but with the pregnancy hormones, like, I really, really hope to, like, be able to, gain some weights for the baby. I do eat a lot, but like I said, some things that I eat just comes out. That's something I really hope. 16 weeks, my sense of smell is not that bad anymore. Like, I still smell things, but not as strong as before. I guess because baby can't smell now, so we are sharing it. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like my belly button really stretching. Like, I don't know what's going on there, but it's stretching really big. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say. I have like a few things that I want to share with you guys, but I think I'm just going to share it in like pregnancy hauls or pregnancy talk, another video, because these videos are really, really long. But yeah, I'm 17 weeks now and still nauseous. I mean, even throughout the pregnancy since the beginning, there's certain food that I want to eat. Like I said, I had bananas before, now I want milk. I like apples before. I still like apples, but I'm not craving for it. There's certain food that I want to eat. Like, I want to eat composé. I want to eat like la sarmang, mango salad, things like that. I want to eat Michou, like things I want to cook, but yeah, I really hope I can eat those things, especially the mango salad, because it's a little sour, so it can help. The thing that really you need to avoid is like steaks, especially when it's not well done. It made me really sick, and I'm the kind of person that cannot eat raw meat too, even when I was not pregnant. That's just a thing that I can eat. And yeah, just eating that last time, I asked the person to make it well done, but I don't think it was well done, so that made me sick. Like certain if I eat too much, because I tell you guys that I'm hungry, I actually want to eat, but I just can't. But when I like eat too much, I get the heartburn, and then I started throwing up. I tried to take some Tums yesterday for my heartburn, but it made it worse. It did not work at all. I think like only milk is the only thing that like make it semi-mild. Yeah, so I guess I will just show you guys my stomach now. So if you look like this, you can barely see anything. But this is the side right now. This is the front. And regular ones like this. And the other side. Okay, so I'm just gonna lift up my shirt so you guys can see it. Alright, so this is the side, the front, and this side. So yes, my baby is still very small at 17 weeks, but that is normal. Something else I wanted to tell you guys too is, I don't know if you guys do it, but or do have it when you're pregnant, but since I said my hair grows fast, my nail grows fast, so every hair grows fast. I'm a very like hairy person already, and most of my hair grows fast. Even like my stomach, it's hairy. It's not thick, but you can see there's hair on my stomach. So yeah. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it about this update. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any question. Don't forget to leave them down below, or you can message me on Facebook or anywhere else that you can find me. You can message me even via email. I received a few emails from you guys lately. But yeah, that's pretty much with the update and the pregnancy talk today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.